Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best hard drive duplicators available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Sabrent Hard Drive Duplicator. The Sabrent SATA hard drive docking station enables you to access desktop or laptop hard drives without the frustration of assembling hard drive enclosures. By inserting a 2.5/3.5 SATA hard drive directly into this docking station you can quickly access drive contents and transfer files. Plus, you can swap out hard drives effortlessly with plug-and-play installation. You can transfer data quickly and easily through USB 3.0 at speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. At number 3 we have Kingwin Hard Drive Duplicator. The Easy Clone is a USB 3.0 to Dual-SATA and Single-IDE hard drive adapter that also works as a standalone disk cloning duplicator. The Easy Clone adapter provides support for 2 SATA drives and 1 IDE hard drive in 2.5 inches or 3.5 inches form factors. You have access up to 2 external drives at the same time when connected to the PC. The Easy Clone also works as a standalone disk duplicator while disconnected to the PC. It is easy to connect. Connecting the external drives is simple and easy. The Easy Clone has 4 progress LEDs that will turn blue to indicate the completed percentage of the clone process. The result is 2 identical drives containing the same files, boot sector, partition table and file system format. At number 2 we have StarTech Hard Drive Duplicator. The standalone USB 3.0 hard drive duplicator/eraser lets you quickly copy your SATA SSD or hard disk and sanitize with confidence without having to connect to a computer. The standalone cloner/sanitizer docking station supports 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches drives, that's making this a versatile and cost-effective solution. With duplication speeds up to 11 gigabits per minute and support for SATA 3, this IT-grade external SSD/HDD copier/eraser dock makes it quick and easy to duplicate or erase your data. This dual-bay USB dock features sector-by-sector hard drive duplication with built-in LED progress bar and support for 2-drive single-pass overwriting. At number 1 we have Easy Hard Drive Duplicator. This open platform flatbed design makes the connection easily with multi-format HDD and SSD. It supports 4K advanced format hard disk drive, no capacity limitation. It supports HPA/DCO duplication and removal, that's making sure you have identical hard drives as the original. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best hard drive duplicators for your need.